Very good bendy.
We'll put this like this. Alright, pull forward really slow.
Oh, there.
Oh, see, look at it come out. Yeah. Ah, dude, there's a rock in there.
Oh, that's doing perfect.
Oh, yes.
Just got done with day 1 of work with the Air Dior's, so we are gonna wash these bad boys. I gotta lie, they don't look that bad, really. So these went through the washer 4 times, in the dryer twice, 4 times on high heat. The stains are a little laced. The toes are not creased. That's right, they didn't crease. Even with the excavator running over them, they did not crease. This is the one, dude, can you tell that right now there's a 60-inch excavator bucket?
They look brand new in camera.
Update, I got a girl pregnant that I barely know and she wants to keep the baby. Sorry it's been a bit, but I've had just a lot going on the past 2 days obviously. I did tell my parents. They were pretty surprised and disappointed, but also agreed that we don't even know for sure if it is mine. This also isn't their first rodeo with all this. My brother knocked up his high school sweetheart, so we're just doing a great job of making them proud. They have a lawyer that they've used, so we were able to have a call with him. He actually helped me draft up a text to send to her basically saying that I won't respond until a DNA test can be done. They do have non-invasive tests they can perform while she's pregnant. They're just expensive. My parents offered to help me out with the costs, but I'm just going to suck it up and cover it. I texted her that and didn't reply to anything she sent. She went off on a tangent about how I'm the only person she's slept with in months. It's fate. We're meant to be together and all that. Then there was silence for a bit and then she finally agreed to do a test. My parents' lawyer found a doctor that can perform it, and we scheduled it for next Tuesday. So I'll be driving up to South Carolina just for the test and coming back down. I really don't want to miss much class, but apparently not many places are open this weekend because of the holiday. She still texts me and tries to FaceTime me. I haven't had the heart to send anything back outside of just planning to go up there for the test. She's trying to plan for me to meet her parents, go to dinner and all that, but that's not what this trip is for. She added me to a baby Pinterest board, asked me about names. I just can't handle it. I also made an appointment with my doctor to look into getting a vasectomy because this has just scared the shite out of me and I'd rather not have it ever happen again.